Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is a continuation of the OpenOffice mail merge. How to add fields manually. Let's go to my documents here. I've already started the mail merge wizard, and I'm going to add some fields by going into insert fields. There it is, insert fields. Other. Now I've got any record, and if I go to any record, nothing happens. If I go to database name, nothing happens. If I go to mail merge fields, something happens. See the plus sign? Variables. I haven't explored that. Anyway, mail merge fields. Here are all of my mail merge fields. And since this is a cover letter, we'll want first name. See, where does that go? Insert. There it is. Last name, insert. Want to put a space in between that. There you go. And go ahead and insert that. And we'll add address, insert, address, insert. Separate that. Do city, comma, state, insert, space, zip, insert, and we will put salutation here. Don't know how I'm going to do that. Let's just leave that blank for a moment. We'll go ahead and put first name, or we'll put last name there. Insert. Okay, I think I have all of the information that I need. Web address, that looks good. Okay, so close that. And now when I return to mail merge wizard, all of this stuff should populate. So let's take a look at that. Edit individual document. Let's see what it... No, I don't want to do that. Save, print, or send. Edit document. So let's see what it looks like. Didn't stick. Personalize the document. Ooh, I don't know what it's doing. Edit individual. Oh, lost my changes. So return to mail merge. Insert address block. Let's try that again. Match my fields. That's all still good. Address, good, good. Click OK. Next document, yes, yes, yes. Although the first name, let's go with company name. Company name, okay, we'll use that. Click OK. Now we're getting a little closer. Although this document here looks like it's missing lots of information. In fact, it's missing the state. Interesting. Let's see. Company name, more. How do I edit? Alright, let's edit this one. Edit. And zip city. Well, didn't want to do that. City. Oh, interesting. Can't put spaces in between. Can't actually edit it. Where's my state? So let's move that in. City, state. Oh, wow, look at that. Whoa, look at that. Control Z does not work, so I have to backspace. Ooh, backspace doesn't work either. Try backspace, no. Try delete. Okay, delete does work. City, state, zip. City, state, zip, and that's okay. Let's go ahead and add address. Enter doesn't work. Address line 2. Let's see if I can get it to change location. Okay, if you careful with that. No, shift does not work. Holding the shift key to move them around doesn't work. City. No, move that back. State. Zip. Move that over. Okay, so this interface is not the easiest to use, frankly. And look, I can't get spaces in between. How do you get spaces? It doesn't say. It doesn't look like you can. Interface certainly doesn't allow you to. So let's click OK and see what it looks like. I can't get a space. See this? They've got spaces. How do I get spaces in there? Arrow key doesn't seem to work. And there's no spacing in there. Click OK. Click OK. Let's see what's happening here. It's not going to work. Why isn't it going to work? Oh, la 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 la. Suppress lines with empty fields. More. Always include. Let's see if we can edit. How do I edit? Insert? No, insert doesn't do anything. Okay, it looks like we definitely have a problem with editing address blocks. Editing address blocks equals no joy. Alright, so thank you for that. We bumped into a little bit of a problem. I hope that doesn't stop anybody from using OpenOffice. It just points the way to the developers to take a note that when you want to put a space in between your fields, it should be as easy as clicking the space bar. Thank you for watching, and happy computing.